Mardi Gras is all about the fun. Safety is our number one priority, however. There's a few things that you should know before the parade starts so everybody can have a great time. Number one, stay back from the floats. You don't even realize that there's these big, huge tires underneath the floats, and people so many times get so close. So we're instructed to throw to the back of the crowd, so you're actually going to get more beads if you're further away from the float. Number two, watch your step. Sidewalks, curbs, beads on the ground, crowded areas, those are going to be a tripping hazard, especially if you're carrying a bunch of throws, which we hope you are. Number three, keep your eyes on your kids. I have seen so many years where kids are running out to get that bead off the ground between the floats. Please do not let them do that. Keep your eye on your kids and even consider putting a wristband on your child in case they wander off. Number four, respect the barricades. They're there for a reason. They not only protect you, but they protect us as the parade participants. Now, I have a big favor to ask. It's not a tip, it's actually just a big favor. Please don't throw anything back at the floats. We are there to have a super great time, and we are throwing stuff right and left, but you'd be surprised. We've had beer bottles, unopened cans, which super hurt, and even beads that people don't want thrown back at us. We're not looking for something coming back at us. We're worried about throwing to y'all. This year, I have a ton of fun throws, stuffed animals, cool beads, even the little rubber duckies. I think I have 600 of them, little rubber duckies like you see on Jeeps to throw out. So there's going to be a lot of things coming your way. If it's spinning like crazy, don't take a chance at getting hit in the face. We're actually taught to cup it in our hand and throw it underneath or throw it over, but gently all balled up. Sometimes that doesn't happen. So again, like I mentioned in another video, make eye contact with us. If you have eye contact with us, you know it's coming and we know where we're throwing. We want everybody to be super safe. Just a little bit of planning and Mardi Gras can be unforgettable and safe for everyone. So let's keep the energy high, accidents low, but I want to hear what your number one safety tip is. I know tons of people have gone to Mardi Gras for years, so what's your number one tip? Drop it in the comments. I look forward to reading it.